We are cooking with love today, and it is Acheke with a side chili mix.
Hello everybody, it's Pink Sister in the kitchen today, coming at you with a brand new video. Today we are making Acheke, which is a cassava couscous that is thoroughly enjoyed in Côte d'Ivoire, and we are going to be accompanying that with a chili mix. First of all, could we have a shout from Diamond Lady? Alright, on to our ingredients. Now, the first thing I'm going to show you today is our crusher and our earthenware. Now, this can be substituted with a blender, just that this way is manual. We have a range of vegetables here, some chopped tomatoes and then some chili. So over here we have some spices which we have mixed ourselves. We have Acheke, which is the star of the show. We have some oil, some table salt, and then all the way over here we have a few spices and then a few more ingredients which are going to make our chili mix have that really nice pop of flavour. Let's get on with the cooking.
Hello everyone, this is Diamond Lady, and I've taken over with the cooking. So today we are cooking Acheke, also known as cassava couscous or African couscous. So we are going to serve our Acheke with a side of chili mix. We are going to make it all with a twist. I will tell you more about Acheke in the course of the cooking. I'm going to start off by putting at least 3/4 of the Acheke in a microwavable bowl, ready to microwave it. It's up to you, whichever way you want to steam your Acheke. I usually steam it in the microwave. I buy my Acheke from frozen and I leave it in the fridge at least throughout the whole night before using it the next day. Whenever I put it in a bowl, it's quite lumpy, so I tend to break the lumps down so that it is smooth enough before it goes into the microwave. So Acheke is usually a cuisine eaten by people from Côte d'Ivoire, and Ghanaians and other people have also adopted it. I am glad my late mom taught me how to cook and eat Acheke. So I'm adding in there 2 tablespoons of water before I put it in the microwave. I am also going to cover it with a cling film before I put it in the microwave for at least 10 minutes. So unlike couscous that is made out of durum wheat semolina, Acheke is made out of cassava, and I love the taste of it. So I'm going to start off with the side vegetables, and I'm going to put in a pan 2 tablespoons of sunflower oil. It's up to you. You can use the oil of your choice. You can even use coconut oil if you want a coconutty flavor with your vegetables. Then in goes my vegetable mix. So with my vegetable mix, I have got in there white onions, red peppers, green peppers, yellow peppers, and some cucumber. I'm going to add all the cucumber into this mix and leave some of the onions, red, green, and yellow peppers for the Acheke itself. I'm going to stir fry this for a couple of minutes, and it is going to look delicious. I love my vegetables very crunchy. I don't know about you. You do know that when you leave veggies in a hot pan for a very long time, it tends to go very soft. So this that I'm doing is just to soften my veggies just a little bit. I don't want it very soft, just slightly crunchy as well. So with the Acheke, the people from Côte d'Ivoire usually serve it with a slow cooked stew which they call Kejenois, but we are cooking with a twist and we're going to eat with a twist. So what we're going to do is we're going to serve it with a pepper mix. And what I'm adding in there now is a chili side mix. which contains scotch bonnet, onions, some cloves, a tiny bit of garlic, a tiny bit of ginger, some anise seeds, and I've blended it all up, and that's what I have just added to my vegetable mix. It's smelling good in here. What I'm adding in there now is my spice mix because I want my vegetables to be very flavorsome. I want it to be a very good side for my acheke. This looks good. This looks delicious. Pink Lady and I, Diamond Lady, we love to cook with a twist. Yes, Pink Sister is a lady as well, so there's nothing wrong calling her Pink Lady. The music in the background is by Josh Mensah. You can find it on SoundCloud, and the title is Give Me Something. It's so lovely. So I'm going to put my vegetables on the side, ready to serve along with my cassava couscous. I am not going to wash this pan as I am going to cook my couscous in there. This is a bit of a stir frying of the couscous. So I'm going to put in the pan 1 tablespoon of oil, and I'm going to add in the remaining of my vegetables, excluding the tomatoes. So I have red, green, and yellow peppers with some red onions, and I'm going to stir fry that just for a couple of minutes. I don't want it soft, and I will be adding in there my cassava couscous or Acheke. I just love cooking. Pink Sister loves cooking. We just love to showcase our cooking. And I am so happy. I love couscous. So what I'm adding in there is the remaining of the chili mix, which is scotch bonnet, a little bit of anise seed, a little bit of dried rosemary, a bit of garlic, a bit of onion, and a bit of ginger. This is going to give our couscous a nice flavor and a nice kick. We love to eat flavorsome food. We love to cook with a twist. So I will sort of stir fry this couscous just for a couple of minutes. That is me mixing the veggies in there and making it change color because we love to eat colorful dishes. This looks good already. And that's it. Our couscous is almost done. What I'm adding in there is just 1 teaspoonful of spices so that I can have that bit like a bit of a salt taste to it. I wouldn't want to use salt instead. I decided to use these spices in place of salt. Voila, this is it. Our couscous is done and ready to be served. I can't wait to eat this couscous. Oh, that looks good. Look at the tomatoes on the side. It looks very, very lovely. So now we are going to get our green chili mix done. So in the blender, I have got some green scotch bonnets, some onions, and I'm adding in there some shrimp powder, and then I've also added in there some spices. I don't intend to use salt in this cooking, not much of it, so I'm adding some oil in there as that is going to aid with the blending. I might just put in there 1 tablespoon of water as well. So after blending, I have got my pan on there, and I've just put in there another tablespoon of oil, ready to fry my green chili mix, which will be on the side of my acheke. We love cooking with a twist. It smells so good in here. This is awesome. I might invite you one day to have dinner with me. Just tell me what you want, name it, and I will get it cooking for you. So we're going to simmer this green mix for some minutes, Make sure it's boiling just a little bit so that the color will keep on changing. You notice that it looked a bit whitish when I put it on the stove, and now it's looking more greenish because most of the water has gone out of it. And this is exactly how I want my green mix. So I'm going to set this on the side, ready for my couscous. With my tomato mix, I'm going to blend together some tomato, ginger, onions, garlic, guinea pepper, which is also known as wintia, some scotch bonnet, dry rosemary, cloves, and anise seeds. And this is going to come out as perfect as I wanted. Voila! There we go with our couscous. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, don't forget to subscribe, and don't forget to share. Thank you. We're eating it with tilapia.